Where my besties at? Welcome, bestie. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'll be doing a next unboxing video, and if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So to all my besties, to all my Barbies, you know, girl, really have to come right out. Girl, have to look good. Your hair is your beauty. Okay, so today we have in this box, this is another hair, so I'm gonna let you see. And this is a 14-inch crochet braid, 8 packs. So this is 8 pack of crochet braid. Wow, it come with the crochet skin. I don't know what I call it. Look at this, guys. I'm loving this color. I'm not sure if I'll be able to install this myself. I may have to go to a hairdresser to install this. So this is 3. So now that's 5. Remember 3, 8. So this is more than enough to do my hair, and I'm liking the color. I love the color. Love the color. Can't wait to install this here, guys. Trust me, I'm not a professional, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Install my own lace wig, and I think I did a good job. And I hope that you guys will definitely find these videos that I'm doing interesting, because I know I enjoy these videos. And let me say, guys, this video is fully sponsored. Fully sponsored, guys. I'll put the name of the company that I get this hair from down in the description box. And go ahead and follow me. Follow my Instagram page, Juliana Empire Official. Over on TikTok, Juliana Empire Official. All platform, Juliana Empire Official. Go ahead and give me a follow, guys, and let me teach you how to become a Barbie. I'm loving these sponsored videos. I'm loving them. I'm loving them. Not gonna lie. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video, guys. Thank you so much for supporting my platform. I really do appreciate each and every person who has been supporting my platform. Much love and respect. See you in a next video, guys. Bye bye.